Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. It's an old question paper of ESIC Staff Nurse 2012. So let's see, because of some problem I had not the starting 15th question that related with general knowledge. So we will start the question number 16th. Question number 16th is tuberculosis is caused by polluted. There are four options: air, water, food and vomits. Correct answer is A. Air. Tuberculosis is caused by the polluted air. And tuberculosis, it's a microorganism, Mycobacterium tuberculi. Next question. Question number 17. Polio is transmitted through. Correct answer is C. Food. Polio is transmitted through the food because of polio. Its transmission route is fecal oral route. Next question. Question number 18. A person with no sign of disease but may transmit, it is called. Correct answer is C. A carrier person. A person with no sign of disease but may transmit, it is called a carrier person. Next question. Question number 19. For eye examination, the instrument used is. Correct answer is C. Ophthalmoscope. Ophthalmoscope is used for the eye examination. Next question. Question number 20. Following is a contagious disease. Correct answer is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a contagious or communicable disease. Next question. Question number 21. Thyroid gland is present in. Correct answer is C. Neck. Thyroid gland is present in the neck. Next question. Question number 22. Who is regarded as father of medicine? Correct answer is D. Hippocrates. Hippocrates is known as the father of medicine. Next question. Question number 23. The instrument used to measure blood pressure is. Correct answer is B. Sphygmomanometer is used for the measure for blood pressure. Next question. Question number 24. Dehydration is caused in the human body due to. Correct answer is B. Loss of water. Dehydration is caused in the human body due to loss of water. Next question. All these are sterilized by chemical except. Correct answer is C. Gauze. Because of gauze is sterilized by the autoclaving, and the seizure, endoscope and cables are sterilized by the chemical. Next question. Question number 26. BCG vaccine is given to protect the child against. Correct answer is D. Tuberculosis. BCG vaccine is given to protect the child against the tuberculosis. Next question. Question number 27. Protein deficiency disease is known as. Correct answer is A. Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is known as the protein deficiency disease. Marasmus and Kwashiorkor, these are the types of protein allergy malnutrition. Next question. Question number 28. Bone deformation can occur due to lack of. Correct answer is D. Because the bone needs the calcium, vitamin D and phosphorus. So its deformation occur due to the lack of and insufficiency of the calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D cause the bone deformation. So correct answer is D, all of these. Next question. Question number 29. A drug can. Right answer is D, all of the above. Drug can cure the disease, prevent the disease and diagnose the disease. So right answer is D, all of the above. Next question. Question number 30. Vitamin D deficiency may result in. Correct answer is A. Rickets. Vitamin D deficiency result the rickets or cause the rickets. Next question. Which is not cancer? Question number 31. Which is not a cancer? Correct answer is B. Glaucoma, because it's related with the eye disorder, and leukemia, carcinoma and sarcoma is the cancer. Next question. Question number 32. Vitamin essential for coagulation of blood is. Right answer is C. K. Vitamin K is essential for the coagulation of blood. Next question. Question number 33. Who invented thermometer? Right answer is Galileo Galilei invented the thermometer. Next question, question number 34. Which of the following vitamins is considered as good for eyes? Correct answer is B. Vitamin A is considered the good for eyes. Next question, question number 35. Which bone is the largest bone human body? Right answer is a femur. Femur is the largest bone in the human body. Next question, in human body, unoxygenated blood is purified by. Right answer is A. Lungs. Unoxygenated blood is purified by the lungs. Next question, question number 37. ELISA test is used to detect. Right answer is C. HIV infection. ELISA test is used for the diagnosis of HIV infection. Next question, question number 38. A clinical thermometer indicates temperature in degree Fahrenheit from. Correct answer is A. 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. And the clinical thermometer indicates temperature in the degree of Celsius is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius in the Celsius. Next question, question number 39. The normal breathe rate of human being is. Correct answer is 15 to 18 breath per minute. It's a normal breathe rate in the human beings. 15 to 18 breath per minute. Next question, question number 40. Which part of the body is affected in typhoid? Right answer is B. Intestine. Intestine affected in the typhoid fever. Next question, question number 41. On average, an adult human has. Correct answer is B. 206 bones are present in the adult human being. Next question, question number 42. In an adult, the skeleton comprises around. Right answer is B. 10 to 20% of the total body weight. In an adult, the skeletal comprises around the 10 to 20% of the total body weight. Next question, question number 43. Which of the following is most dangerous complication during induction of spinal anesthesia? Right answer is B. Hypotension, decrease the blood pressure. So it's a dangerous complication during induction of the spinal anesthesia, hypotension. Next question, question number 44. Which of the following nursing actions should be given highest priority when admitting the patient into the operating room? Right answer is C. Patient identification and correct operative consent. So before patients and admitting in the operation room or OT, firstly check the patient identification. That means patient is right or at correct operative consent. Next question, question number 45. Which of the following is the earliest sign of poor respiratory function? Right answer is C. Restlessness. Restlessness is the earliest sign of poor respiratory function. Next question, question number 46. If wound evisceration occurs, the immediate nursing action is. Correct answer is cover the wound with sterile gauze moistened with sterile NSS. Next question, question number 47. How frequent should the nurse monitor the VS of vital sign of the patient in the recovery room? Correct answer is A. Every 15 minutes. The nurse monitor the vital sign of the patient in the recovery room every 15 minutes. Next question, question number 48. The most important factor in the prevention of post-operative infection is. Correct answer is C. Practice of strict aseptic technique can prevent the post-operative infection. Next question, question number 49. The skin is saved prior to surgery in order to. Right answer is C. To prevent wound infection. The skin is saved prior to surgery in order to prevent the wound infection. Next question. The important nursing intervention prior to administration of pre-anesthetic medication is. Correct answer is ask patient to empty the bladder. Before the administration of pre-anesthetic medication, ask the patient to empty the bladder. Next question, question number 51. When the patient vomits, the most important nursing objective is to prevent. Correct answer is B. Aspiration. The most important objective is to prevent the aspiration. Next question, question number 52. Oxygen therapy is recommended in. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Severe respiratory distress, oxygen therapy is used. Severe trauma and acute myocardial infarction. So right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question 53. Nursing responsibilities for either external or internal radiation therapy include. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Assist in documenting, carefully assess and manage any complication. Assist in document the result of the therapy and provide emotional support. So correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question 54. Nursing care in electroconvulsive therapy or ECT include. Right answer is D. All of the above. Providing educational and emotional support prior to the ECT, pre-treatment planning and assessment, preparing and monitoring the patient during the actual procedures. So correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question 55. Contraction of the abdominal muscles is important in. Right answer is D. Forced maximum expiration. Contraction of the abdominal muscles is important in the forced maximum expiration. Next question, question 56. Volume remaining in the lungs and airway following a maximum expiratory effort is known as. Right answer is B. Residual volume. Volume remaining in the lungs and airways following a maximum expiratory effort is known as the residual volume. Next question, question number 57. Smooth muscle tissue is located in. Right answer is D. All of the above. Smooth muscle tissue is located in the stomach, urinary bladder and intestine. So correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 58. Powerhouse of the cell is. Right answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Next question, question number 59. Arteriosclerosis result due to increased uptake of. Here is D option is missing, but the D option is increase the fat, increase the fat diet that can cause the arteriosclerosis. Next question, question number 60. The process by which proteins are broken down to their amino acids is also called. Right answer is C. Proteolysis. Proteolysis, the process by which proteins are broken down to their amino acids, is also known as the proteolysis. Next question, question 61. Protein deficiency results in. Right answer is B. Kwashiorkor. Protein deficiency result in the Kwashiorkor. Next question. And these are the rickets, tetany and pellagra that can cause by the vitamins insufficiency. Next question. 62. The breakdown products of hemoglobin is. Right answer is C. Bile pigment. The breakdown product of hemoglobin is the bile pigment. Next question, question 63. Largest internal organ of human body is. Right answer is B. Liver. Liver is the largest internal organ in the human body. Next question, question 64. Prothrombin is produced by. Correct answer is C. Liver. Prothrombin is produced by the liver. Next question, question 65. A compound within a cell nucleus that consists of protein bound to a nucleic acid is called. Right answer is C. Nucleoprotein. A compound within a cell nucleus that consists of protein bound to a nucleic acid is called the nucleoprotein. Next question, question number 66. The technique is used for most routine protein and nucleic acid separation is. Right answer is electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the technique that is used for the most routine protein and nucleic acid separation. Next question, question number 66. In 1860, Nightingale set up the first nursing training school at. Right answer is St. Thomas Hospital, London. Next question, question number 60. Next question, question number 68. In the community, health responsibilities of nurse include. Right answer is D, all of the above. In the community, health responsibility of nurse include the administrating public health service, teaching people and providing information to people, recording and analyzing the health data. So right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 69. Choosing the appropriate catheter depends on. Right answer is D, all of the above. Because the choosing the appropriate catheter depends on the size of the patient urethral canal, expected duration of catheterization, and knowledge of any allergies to latex or plastic. So correct answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 70. Curved or chord catheters have. Right answer is B, a rounded curved tip. Curved or chord catheters have the rounded curved tip. Next question, question number 71. The number of pair of cranial nerves are. Correct answer is A. 12 pairs of cranial nerves are present. Next question, question number 72. The autonomic nervous system regulates visceral activities such as. Right answer is D, all of the above. The autonomic nervous system regulates the visceral activity just like respiration, GI motility and contraction of smooth muscles. So right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 73. The number of pairs of spinal nerves that exits from the spinal cord are. Right answer is C, 31. 31 spinal nerves are present. 31 pair of spinal nerves are present. Next question, question number 74. Electroencephalogram is. Right answer is A, recording of brain wave activity. Electroencephalogram is the recording the brain wave activity. Next question, question number 75. Meningitis is. Right answer is D, inflammation of the membrane that surrounds the brain and the spinal cord. Meningitis, the inflammation of the membrane that surrounds the brain and spinal cord. Meninx is the layer that covers the brain and spinal cord, and its inflammation is known as the meningitis. Next question, question number 76. Corticosteroid is naturally produced by. Right answer is B, adrenal gland, adrenal cortex that secrete the corticosteroid hormone. So corticosteroid is naturally produced by the adrenal gland. Next question, question number 77. Aspartate aminotransferase enzyme. Correct answer is C, both A and B. Aspartate aminotransferase enzyme play a role in metabolism, the process that converts food into energy, and plays a role in processing protein. So correct answer is C, both A and B. Next question, question number 78. ALT exceeds AST in. Right answer is D, all of the above. ALT exceeds AST in the all type of liver disease related with liver. So a toxic hepatitis, viral hepatitis, cholestatic hepatitis. So right answer is D, all of the above. Next question, question number 79. Gallbladder is located. Right answer is A, upper right part of the abdomen. Gallbladder is located in the upper right part of the abdomen. Next question, question 80. Helicobacter pylori bacteria is responsible for the peptic ulcer. Right answer is peptic ulcer. Next question, question 81. Measure of the overall strength of binding of an antigen with many antigenic determinants and multivalent antibodies is called. Correct answer is C. Avidity. Next question, question 82. The bonds that hold the antigen to the antibody combining site are. Right answer is a hydrophilic bond. Because of that bond present in the antigen to the antibody combining site, it's a non-covalent bond and hydrogen bond. So right answer is a hydrophilic bond. Next question, question 83. The Bidal test is positive if TO antigen titer is more than. Typhoid agglutinin antigen titer is more than the. Right answer is 1/160 in an infection. Next question, question 84. In normal person of the percentage of glycosylated hemoglobin is. Right answer is C. 7. The normal person, the 7% of glycosylated hemoglobin is present. Next question, question number 85. Test for hypersensitivity is called. Right answer is B. Patch test. Patch test is used for the test for hypersensitivity or allergy. Next question, question number 86. VDRL test is performed to diagnose. Right answer is D. All of the above. VDRL test is performed to diagnose the pregnancy, myasthenia gravis and syphilis. Next question, question number 87. Virus are. Right answer is A. Pieces of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA wrapped in a thin coat of protein that replicates only within the cell of living host. Next question, question 88. Common cold is caused by. Common cold is caused by the rhinovirus. Correct answer is B. Rhinovirus can cause the common cold. Next question, question 89. Malaria is caused by a. Right answer is A. Protozoa. Malaria is a protozoal disease. Next question, question 90. Clotrimazole is a antifungal drug. 19. Question number 19. Correct answer is B. Antifungal drug. Clotrimazole is an antifungal drug. Next question, question number 91. Which day is celebrated as Labor Day? Right answer is first May celebrated as the Labor Day. Next question, question number 90. Famous Meenakshi temple is in. Right answer is C. Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Famous Meenakshi temple is situated at the Madurai in the Tamil Nadu. Next question, question number 93. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is known for. Right answer is Master of Flute. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is known for the Master of Flute. Next question, question 94. The national anthem is written by. Right answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, question 95. Vasco da Gama was a native of. Correct answer is C. Portugal. Next question, question number 96. Kolar, the gold mining center is in. Right answer is B. Karnataka. Kolar, the gold mining center is in Karnataka. Next question. A Rajya Sabha member enjoys tenure in Rajya Sabha for a period of. Right answer is A. 6 years. Next question. Question number 98. Gautam Buddha was born at. Right answer is B. Lumbini. Lumbini Garden. Gautam Buddha was born at the Lumbini. Next question. Question number 99. The science dealing with earthquake is called. Correct answer is B. Seismology. The science that deal with the earthquake is called the seismology. Next question. Question number 100. By which article has the Indian Constitution conferred a special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is D. Article 370. Thank you for watching us.